Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American sports cars ever made at a 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Since its mid-engine transformation in 2020, the Corvette has redefined performance, design, and value in the sports car world. Now, the 2026 model elevates the game with refined aerodynamics, advanced tech, and more driver-focused enhancements. If you're ready to explore a modern-day legend, let's jump right in. Body panels. The 2026 Stingray's exterior design is aggressive, aerodynamic, and sculpted for performance. The body panels are crafted from lightweight composite materials, including fiberglass and carbon fiber reinforced plastics, to reduce weight and maintain high rigidity. Sharp character lines slice through the profile, while integrated air vents behind the doors and in the rear fenders serve both aesthetic and functional purposes, feeding cool air into the engine bay and brakes. The low-slung stance, wide rear haunches, and sculpted hood give the Stingray its unmistakable supercar silhouette, hinting at the power beneath. Headlights. The Stingray's LED headlights have been updated with a more angular, aggressive design for 2026. These slim, full-matrix LEDs feature adaptive lighting that responds to speed, steering angle, and weather conditions, helping you see better through turns and poor visibility. Integrated daytime running lights form a piercing, C-shaped signature that enhances visibility and brand identity. Whether parked or racing down the highway, these headlights make a strong statement. Taillights. At the rear, the signature dual-element LED taillights are sharp, modern, and unmistakably Corvette. Each unit features animated lighting sequences on startup and shutdown, plus sequential turn signals for added drama. The angular shapes give the rear an almost mechanical look, complemented by quad exhaust tips and an integrated diffuser that reminds everyone this is a performance machine at heart. Grille. Unlike front-engine vehicles, the front grille on the Stingray is smaller and more streamlined, designed primarily for brake and radiator cooling. Hidden active grille shutters manage airflow based on cooling needs and speed, improving aerodynamics when fully closed. Side intakes and rear vents take on the heavier cooling duties for the mid-mounted engine. The result is a design that's clean, efficient, and aggressively modern, maximizing both form and function. Seats. Slide into the cabin, and you're greeted by performance-oriented GT bucket seats, or upgrade to competition sport seats for more bolstering during high-speed cornering. Both options are available in premium Nappa leather, microfiber suede, or carbon fiber-backed leather, depending on trim. The seats are power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated, offering both luxury and support. Deep bolsters keep the driver locked in, while multiple interior color combos let you personalize your cockpit, from classic black to adrenaline-pumping red. Dashboard. The dashboard layout is driver-centric with a sweeping design that cocoons the driver and separates the passenger side with a bold center divider. It's loaded with high-grade materials including carbon fiber inlays, soft-touch leather, and contrast stitching. The gauge cluster is fully digital at 12-inch customizable display that shows everything from traditional speed and tech to G-force, tire temperature, and lap times. The low dash height and narrow A-pillars also improve forward visibility, key for both street and track driving. Infotainment System. The 2026 Corvette Stingray features an upgraded 8-inch HD touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest Infotainment 4+ system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice command, navigation, and over-the-air updates. A Bose Performance Series sound system with 14 speakers, on higher trims, delivers crystal clear audio, even at high speeds with the top down. physical buttons and a tactile rotary dial ensure you can adjust climate and media without diving deep into menus. Perfect for when you're focused on the road ahead. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom, squared-off steering wheel is wrapped in leather or microfiber with carbon fiber accents and features paddle shifters mounted behind. It's compact, sporty, and feels like something straight out of a race car. Multifunction buttons give you control over audio, performance settings, and voice commands without ever taking your hands off the wheel. It's not just about steering, it's about commanding the car like a pilot in a jet cockpit. Engine. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast. The 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, still naturally aspirated and now tuned for 510 horsepower and 470 pounds-feet of torque in the 2026 Stingray. It's mounted behind the driver, visible through the rear glass on coupe models, and paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast shifts. The result: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The engine's low center of gravity and perfect weight distribution offer world-class handling. Plus, a new active performance exhaust dynamically adjusts sound and back pressure based on your selected drive mode, from subtle rumble to all-out roar. Hybrid option. For the first time in Stingray history, the 2026 model offers a mild hybrid option via Chevrolet's new e-Boost system. It pairs the LT2 V8 with a 48-volt motor for an extra 20 horsepower of torque fill during acceleration and improved stop-start efficiency. This system doesn't compromise the Stingray's raw character. Instead, it enhances throttle response and smooths out low-speed performance. It also contributes to slightly better fuel economy, especially during city driving. Importantly, it keeps weight down by integrating into the transmission housing without adding unnecessary bulk. Airbags. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The 2026 Stingray is equipped with a full suite of 8 airbags, including dual front, side impact, knee, and curtain airbags. The car's aluminum frame includes crash-optimized crumple zones, and the cabin structure is reinforced to protect occupants while keeping weight low. Chevrolet's advanced sensors also help detect and deploy airbags with precision, enhancing safety without compromising interior design. Parking assist. Parking a supercar just got a whole lot easier. The Stingray includes HD surround view cameras, rear cross-traffic alert, and front and rear parking sensors. An available automatic parking assist system can guide the car into parallel and perpendicular spaces with minimal input. The performance data recorder can also double as a dash cam, capturing both your parking skills and track sessions. Whether squeezing into a garage or showing off at car meets, the Stingray makes it smooth and safe. Price. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray starts at around $71,000 for the base coupe. Add the Z51 Performance Package, upgraded interior materials, and carbon trim, and you're looking at a fully loaded model reaching $85,000 to $90,000. The new hybrid e-Boost option adds roughly $3,000, depending on trim. Compared to supercars with similar specs, the Stingray remains one of the best performance-to-dollar ratios in the industry. And that's your full look at the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, a car that blends exotic design, brutal performance, and daily drivability into one thrilling package. Whether you're chasing lap times or simply turning heads on the boulevard, the new Stingray delivers everything you could want from a modern American sports car. If you're loving what the 2026 Stingray brings to the table, drop a comment below and let us know your favorite feature. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss what's coming next. Until next time, stay sharp.